Good morning, everybody. This tie has got lots and lots of little fishes on it because we're talking about some of the fishes in the Great Lakes of Africa, including especially this lake right here. Lake Tanganyika is in the video. There's a lot of cool little fish there. So, hope everybody has a great day. Oh no, I'm going to sneeze. Yikes. Hold on. Whoops. Sorry about that. Maybe I should re-record the video, or maybe I'll just leave it in. All right. Hope everybody has a great day. Those of you who said God bless you to me, thank you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.